Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear friends? कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक है जी. So today we discuss about the NATO. NATO is the full form North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It is the alliance against communism. So in this slide, the overview: what is NATO, what does NATO do, how does NATO work. NATO is a political and military organization. Members countries work together, sharing common values, principle of collective defense. 26 members. In 1949, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, France, Iceland, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Norway, Portugal, United Kingdom, United States. In 1952, Greece, Turkey joined this alliance. In 1955, Germany. In 1982, Spain. In 1999, Czech Republic and Hungary. In 2004, Bulgaria, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Romania, Slovenia joined this alliance. These are the countries NATO in 2004. Where is the headquarters of NATO? It is in Brussels, Belgium. What is the language spoken in NATO? Two languages are official: English and French. NATO's beginning. North Atlantic Treaty Organization started as a military alliance consisting of the United States, Canada and 14 countries in Europe. Formed in 1949, NATO was set up to discourage an attack by Soviet Union on non-communist nations of North America and Europe. This is the map of NATO countries 1915. After World War II ended, a distrust developed between communist countries led by the Soviet Union and non-communist countries led by the USA. This rivalry became known as the Cold War. This is the map. NATO membrane, Warsaw Pact membrane, other communist countries. According to Article 5, an armed attack against one or more members is considered as attack against all. NATO's purpose change. Cold War defend each other against communist threat in 1945 and Cold War fall of communism in Europe and Soviet Union in 1889. Provide security and intervene in regional conflict where needed today. What does NATO do? Protect people, forgive partnership, build peace and stability, combat new threat. A political alliance, diplomacy, dialogue, cooperation, sharing common values including democracy, freedom, peace, stability and common heritage. A military alliance, collective defense, crisis management operation, maintaining adequate military capabilities. Definition of security in political, economic, social, environmental and military. NATO at work. Prevent conflict through the diplomacy. Help to rebuild war area in need. Paying for NATO, voluntary individual contribution, direct contribution from member of nations. Changing NATO. Crisis missions: Afghanistan, Kosovo, Iraq, Darfur, Sudan, Iraq. Natural disaster relief, refugee crisis, forest fires, floods, earthquake. How does NATO work? Consensus decision making, an international organization where decisions discussed and voted by each member country. Working to joint plan military operations. Member national commit troop to national missions. Military or relief mission carried out. Action against terrorism, NATO partner cooperation against terrorism, intelligence sharing, cooperation in border security, training exercise. Peacekeeping Force, June 1999, NATO Air Campaign Operation, Allied Force. NATO in Afghanistan, International Security Assistance Force since 2003, provides security for aid worker, help reconstruction work. NATO training mission trained personnel from Iraqi security force and coordinate equipment from NATO partners in 2004. NATO and Sudan members are agreed to assist Sudan by providing training for military civilian relief, consolation on struggle against terrorism, crisis management, armed control, search and rescue at sea, natural emergencies. Thank you. So, dear friends, this is a nutshell introduction of NATO. In upcoming sections, inshallah ta'ala, we will discuss briefly NATO, impact of NATO on world peace, role of NATO against Russia, and many more. So hope you enjoy the lecture. Please subscribe, share and comment on our videos, our channel, please. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.